Hello students, welcome back to this grammar lecture from your ACE Grammar book Standard 4th. Today we are going to do the textual exercise of chapter number 15, that is simple past tense. I know all my dear and loving students might have seen the first recorded video and understood the chapter very nicely, and all the students are very well aware that all the textual exercise we are writing with the help of pencil. So all the students take your pencil in your hand and we will start doing the textual exercise of chapter number 15 जो है simple past tense, and that is on page number 54. So all the students open page number 54 and we will do the exercise present on the same. Now here the first part is change these sentences from simple present tense to simple past tense. तो whichever sentence are in simple present tense उसे हमें सिंपल पास्ट टेंस में चेंज करना है. तो फर्स्ट वन इज आई स्लीप इन दिस रूम ड्यूरिंग विंटर्स. तो हियर द वर्ब इज स्लीप. सो दिस वर्ब विच इज इन सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस दैट विल बी चेंज्ड. तो व्हाट इज द पास्ट टेंस ऑफ स्लीप? इट इज स्लेप्ट. इरेगुलर वर्ब इज देयर. So it will come, I slept in this room during winters. I slept in this room during winters. बाकी का sentence it will remain as it is. Now the second is the children play in the park. So here the verb is play and it is a रेगुलर वर्ब. तो उसमें हम ईडी लगा के वी हैव टू मेक दिस वर्ब इनटू पास्ट टेंस. सो द आंसर विल कम द चिल्ड्रन प्लेड इन द पार्क. तो दिस वर्ड यू हैव टू अंडरलाइन. द चिल्ड्रन प्लेड PLAYED प्लेड इन द पार्क. थर्ड सेंटेंस, the cat sleeps on the old rug in the afternoon. So here the simple present tense verb is sleeps. So this verb will be changed and it is an irregular verb. तो irregular verb तो पूरा spelling change हो जाएगा. So what is the past tense of sleep? Very nice students. It is slept. So the answer will go like this. The cat slept, SLEPT, slept on the old rug in the afternoon. बाकी का sentence it will remain as it is. Only the verb will change. The cat slept on the old rug in the afternoon. Next one, the magician shows wonderful tricks. Here the verb is shows. It is simple verb, so only by adding ed it can be changed. तो आंसर आएगा the magician showed, SHOWED. The magician showed wonderful tricks. Now the next one, we go to Manali during our summer vacation. So here irregular verb again it is there. So it will come, go का past tense क्या आएगा? Went. So it will come, we went to Manali during our summer vacation. We went. And wherever we are doing changes, there you have to underline or circle the verb. Now we have come to the sixth sentence, that is, he sells flowers at the shop. So here the verb is sells. So it is also an irregular verb. So the word full it will change. The past tense of sell is sold. He sold, S-O-L-D. He sold flowers at the shop. Then at the end naturally full stop will come. He sold flowers at the shop. Now our seventh one is grandmother reads books in the evening. So here the verb is reads and the past tense of read it will remain the same. No change is there. So the answer will come grandmother read books in the evening. उसका प्रेजेंट टेंस भी सेम होता है और लिंक प्रोनाउंसिएशन डिफरेंस इज देयर. बोलने में सिर्फ अलग होता है, स्पेलिंग राइटिंग इज सेम. सो इट विल कम ग्रैंडमदर रेड बुक्स इन द इवनिंग. So here we have completed page number 54. Now we will move on to page number 55. Same exercise will continue. Now number 8 we have reached. The ship sails on Tuesday. So here ship sails is the verb and it will change into past tense by adding ed. So it will come the ship sailed on Tuesday. The ship sailed on Tuesday. Now our ninth sentence is the doctor treats his patient. So here the verb is treats. So the answer will go like this. The doctor treated his patient. The doctor treated his patients. Our 10th sentence is Riya knows the answers to this question. The verb is here knows. It is also an irregular verb. So the spelling will change full when we will change into past tense. तो know का past tense क्या आएगा? Knew, K-N-E-W. Riya knew the answers to these questions. Riya knew the answers to these questions. Now here first exercise we have done of changing simple present tense to simple past tense. Now we will move on to next exercise, that is B number. Change these sentences to negative sentence. हमें सारे सेंटेंस को नेगेटिव बनाना है by applying did not or didn't. First one, I bought a new pair of shoes. तो here the past tense is there bought. तो जब हम नेगेटिव में चेंज करेंगे तो आगे did not लगाएंगे और bought का हम लिखेंगे प्रेजेंट टेंस. तो bought उसका प्रेजेंट टेंस क्या है? प्रेजेंट टेंस इज buy. So sentence will change like this. I did not buy. जो वर्ब है उसका प्रेजेंट टेंस will come. So it will come I did not buy a new pair of shoes. सिर्फ did not लगा के आप bought लिखोगे then your answer will be wrong. It will change I did not और ये वर्ब का प्रेजेंट टेंस लिखेंगे, बेस फॉर्म होता है वो. सो इट विल कम I did not buy a new pair of shoes. Second one, he laughed at the jokes his sister cracked. So here the verb is laughed. So it will change into base form. कैसे? He did not laugh. Laughed का यहाँ हमने did लगाया इसलिए ed निकल जाएगा. He did not laugh at the jokes his sister cracked. Did not laugh will come. Third number, we took part in the sports day. तो यहाँ पे वर्ब है took. तो जब हम did not लगाएंगे it will take the present tense form. तो present tense took का क्या है? take. So answer will go like this. We did not take part in the sports day. We did not take. बेस फॉर्म लिखना है वर्ब का. सो वी डिड नॉट टेक पार्ट इन द स्पोर्ट्स डे. फोर्थ वन, जया won a prize at the elocution competition. तो here the verb is won. That is also an irregular verb. तो उसका जब हम चेंज करेंगे it will change into win. Jaya did not win a prize at the elocution competition. Jaya did not win. W-I-N. Jaya did not win a prize at the elocution competition. Fifth number, mother bought vegetables from the market. तो here past tense is bought. तो जब हम did not लगाएंगे तो इसका बेस फॉर्म वर्ब लिखेंगे वो आएगा buy. So it will come, mother did not buy vegetables from the market. Mother did not buy vegetables from the market. Sixth one is, Gaurav waited at the bus stop. So here it will come, Gaurav did not wait. Here mistake is there, ed will not come. आपको ed हटा देना है. Answer will come, Gaurav did not wait at the bus stop. All the students correct this mistake. Gaurav did not wait. W-A-I-T. ed निकल जाएगा. Gaurav did not wait at the bus stop. Again I am saying ed नहीं आएगा इसमें, वो हमको इरेज कर देना है. आंसर आएगा Gaurav did not wait at the bus stop. Seventh one, the sheep grazed in the field. तो यहाँ पे भी grazed है past tense. When we will change it will come, the sheep did not graze. D निकल जाएगा. In the fields. The sheep did not graze in the field. Now here we have completed page number 55. Now we will move on to page number 56. All the students turn the page. Now we have reached up to page number 8 number, which is on page number 56. Here Mayur taught music at school. तो here taught irregular verb is there. तो उसका आएगा बेस वर्ब क्या होता है? teach. Mayur did not teach music at school. Mayur did not teach music at school. So it will come, Mayur did not teach music at school. Next one, ninth one, Ruhi saved money to buy a new sweater. तो here saved is there. जब हम present tense बनाएंगे तो उसमें D निकल जाएगा. So the answer will come, Ruhi did not save money to buy a new sweater. Ruhi did not save money to buy a new sweater. Then our last one, 10th number. We went to watch a puppet show. So here the verb is went. So when we are changing, it will come go. In present tense, it will come go. We did not go to watch a puppet show. What answer will come? We did not go to watch a puppet show. So this we have done. Exercise number B. Now we are moving forward with exercise number C, that is complete the following set of questions using simple past tense. Simple past tense use करके we have to complete all the sentences. Now here the questions are asked. Where did you go for your summer vacation? तो यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है Where did you? तो did होगा तो when we will write the answer it will change. Go का क्या आ जाएगा? Past tense form. तो the past tense of go is went. So answer will come I went to Darjeeling. I went to Darjeeling. Then our second number is there. Who did you speak to over the phone? तो यहाँ पे आंसर क्या है? I spoke to my mother. तो here the verb past tense is given spoke. तो जब हम क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे तो कैसे पूछा जाएगा? Did you और इसका बेस फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. तो क्या आता है? स्पीक. Who did you speak to over the phone? Did you speak will come. बेस फॉर्म हमें लगाना है. Then the third one, answer is I met Pooja at 6 p.m. तो here past tense met is there. तो जब हम क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे तो what will come? When did you meet? M-E-E-T. When did you meet Pooja yesterday? When did you meet Pooja yesterday? Then our fourth one is there. Tanu ate fruits for breakfast. So here the verb is past tense ate. तो when we will ask the question WH question word तो क्या आएगा? What did Tanu eat? बेस फॉर्म लगाना है वर्ब का. So it will come What did Tanu eat for breakfast? What did Tanu eat for breakfast? Fifth number is Yes, I reached school on time. तो here it is asked whether he has reached the school. तो क्वेश्चन कैसे पूछेंगे? Did you reach? ED है वो निकल जाएगा. Did you reach school on time? It will come Did you reach school on time? Then the next one. Answer is I lived in Espandale. So here they are asking the question we have to frame. तो lived है तो when we will ask the question D निकल जाएगा and the question will go like this. Where did you live in? कोलकाता. ऐसे क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है कि आप कोलकाता में रहते हो? No, then he is giving the correct answer कि I lived at this place. तो क्वेश्चन कैसे पूछेंगे? Where did you live in कोलकाता? कि कोलकाता में आप कहाँ रहते थे? Then he is saying the exact place. Seventh one. I wrote the letter last evening. So here द इरेगुलर वर्ब रोट इज़ गिवन पास्ट टेंस। तो जब हम क्वेश्चन बनाएंगे तो डिड के साथ बेस वर्ब लगाएंगे। सो व्हाट विल कम? व्हेन डिड यू राइट, WRITE, राइट द लेटर। व्हेन डिड यू write the letter? Then our ninth one, Sumit bought a pen and a notebook from the market. So here Sumit, here the action is over, so bought is given. So when we will ask the question, क्या आएगा? What did Sumit buy? Present tense base form हम लगाएंगे. So what did Sumit buy from the market? What did Sumit buy from the market? So here we have completed making questions from the past tense sentences which we are doing. Now we will move on to the page number 57 where D exercise is waiting for us. तो उसमें क्या करना है? Change these sentences to questions in the simple past tense using did. तो यहाँ हमको जो सेंटेंस दिया है that we have to make into questions using did. First one is given. They took a bus to Odisha on Friday. So here the sentence is given, past tense sentence took. तो when we'll make the question, कैसे आएगा? Did, फिर जो मेन सब्जेक्ट है वो लिखेंगे, did they, और इसका प्रेजेंट टेंस फॉर्म बेस फॉर्म take. Did they take a bus to Odisha on Friday? Did they take a bus to Odisha on Friday? Then the second sentence, grandmother fed the fish last evening. तो here the verb is fed. तो हम जब क्वेश्चन बनाएंगे तो पहले did लिखेंगे, उसके बाद जो सब्जेक्ट है वो आएगा और फिर fed का प्रेजेंट टेंस. तो fed का प्रेजेंट टेंस क्या होता है? feed. Did grandmother feed the fish last evening? And don't forget to put the question mark. हम क्वेश्चन बना रहे हैं, so compulsory we have to put question mark in the last. Did grandmother feed the fish last evening? Then question mark will go. Third sentence, Simran went for a run on Sunday. तो here past tense is went. तो हम जब क्वेश्चन बना रहे हैं तो it will come, did Simran go? Did Simran go for a run on Sunday? Did Simran go for a run, RUN, on Sunday? Went का प्रेजेंट टेंस लिखेंगे, so it will come go. Did Simran go for a run on Sunday? Then question mark. Fourth sentence, Suri gave Michael some marbles yesterday. तो here the past tense is gave. तो जब हम क्वेश्चन बना रहे हैं तो पहले did, फिर जो सब्जेक्ट है सूरी वो लिखेंगे और इसका प्रेजेंट टेंस give. Did Suri give Michael some marbles yesterday? और लास्ट में क्वेश्चन मार्क. Did Suri give Michael some marbles yesterday? Question mark. Fifth sentence, the flowers bloomed in May. तो here it is there, bloomed, past tense is there. तो when we are making question, तो पहले did, फिर जो सब्जेक्ट है that the flowers वो लिखेंगे और इसका प्रेजेंट टेंस. तो क्या आएगा प्रेजेंट टेंस? bloom. Did the flowers bloom in May? Or at the end question mark. Did the flowers bloom? BLOOM. Did the flowers bloom in May? Then our sixth sentence. Gauri ate a bar of chocolate last night. So the verb over here is ate. Past tense verb ate है, तो पहले हम did लगाएंगे, क्वेश्चन बनाना है इसलिए did, फिर सब्जेक्ट लिखेंगे गौरी और ate का प्रेजेंट टेंस विल कम eat. Did गौरी eat a bar of chocolate last night? Question mark. Did Gauri eat? EAT. Did Gauri eat a bar of chocolate last night? Then our seventh question. Vicky went to meet his sister last summer. So here went past tense verb is there. When we are making question, पहले did Vicky, इसका present tense क्या आएगा? Go. Did Vicky go to meet his sister last summer? Question mark. Did Vicky go to meet his sister last summer? Last में question mark लगा देना है. Again, did Vicky go? और बाकी जो पीछे का सेंटेंस है इट विल रिमेन एज इट इज़, वहाँ कोई चेंज नहीं होता. Did Vicky go to meet his sister last summer? Now the last is there. The birds flew south last spring. So here the past tense verb is flew. So when we are writing making question, पहले did, फिर जो सब्जेक्ट है द बर्ड्स दैट विल राइट और इसका प्रेजेंट टेंस. तो व्हाट इज द प्रेजेंट टेंस ऑफ फ्लू? फ्लाई. डिड द बर्ड्स फ्लाई साउथ लास्ट स्प्रिंग? डिड द बर्ड्स फ्लाई FLY. डिड द बर्ड्स फ्लाई साउथ लास्ट स्प्रिंग? एंड क्वेश्चन मार्क यू डोंट हैव टू फॉरगेट. अगर आप क्वेश्चन बना रहे हो, क्वेश्चन मार्क यू आर नॉट राइटिंग, देन योर सेंटेंस विल बी रॉन्ग. सो दिस लेसन is a big lengthy one and continuous practice is needed. So every time take few sentences and do practice in the rough notebook so that और जो main verbs है base form, then past tense, future tense, present continuous tense, उसका जो टेबल है that on regular basis you keep on learning. अगर आप लर्न करते रहोगे then this chapter will become very easy for you. तो base form, उसका past tense, what is the future tense, what is the present continuous and past continuous, that on regular basis you keep on practicing और rough notebook में लेके आप उसका टेस्ट देते रहिए. So the chapters become very easy for you. Grammar again and again I am telling, उसके लिए continuous practice चाहिए. एक बार करके छोड़ दोगे then you will not be able to do the exercise. So whenever you are getting free time, keep practicing for grammar. Thank you for watching the video.